I used to walk every day at like 5 or 5:30 in the morning, and it's now 6:30 in the morning, and I nearly totally convinced myself it's too late, you can't go, give up, but I didn't. Yeah, sure, I still totally hide my phone when people drive by, but other than that, I'm out here and I'm walking and it's gonna be good. So this is the beginning of bigger and better things, where I walk and I'll lose tons of weight and it'll be awesome. But no rules. So this is my whole thing about it. No rules, okay? I don't have to get up at like 4:45 in the morning and go walking and run, and I don't have to do that. I want to walk though, so that's what I'm doing. I'm walking. Yeah. Here's the op shop again. Oh, look at this. For $30, you can be this beautiful. $30 is too expensive. Too expensive. Yep, I'm just gonna say it from now on. Ooh. They put the word vintage so they could charge $15, I guess. You could buy a little platypus figurine thing. Kids' toys. Photo frames, 50 cents each. Oh, look, this is like some kind of carousel thing for all your things that you need to do. So we're up to like the cooking side of things. Look at all those treasures back there. And a hunting jacket for when you go hunting. Sewing stuff shoved in the corner. How dare they? How dare they? Pottery galore. And bird stuff. It's a whole lot of bird stuff. Sometimes just walking by the window of the op shop convinces you to go home and declutter, because you can tell people have decluttered like entire collections of things, and it's like, just don't collect anymore. They did the second driveway. It's beautiful. So I've been watching this house transform. They've done an amazing job. This is the first driveway they did, and now they've done the second one. Super cool.
Yeah. Oh, no.